Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are all of you? I hope you all are fine. I am Kausar Liaquat, your math teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. I am happy to present this lecture. I hope you will be glad to listen this video lecture.
This is lecture number 1 of mathematics for the students of level 1. First, you should bring few stationery items like pencil, eraser, notebook and countdown 1 so that you can write important things. In this lecture, we will discuss page 9 from countdown 1. Our topic is addition and subtraction of 0. Learning objectives. At the end of this lecture, students will understand what 0 means, learn the rule of adding and subtracting 0, practice some examples.
First, we do addition of 0 with any number. First, we need to know what is 0 and when we use it. Dear students, you know, when we want to show nothing or no object, we use 0. So, 0 means nothing. Dear students, can you tell me what is addition? Oh, yes, addition means joining. Addition means combining. Addition means to put things together.
Dear student, first we know the addition rule. When we add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. It means number plus 0 equals number. Real life example, you have 7 candies, someone gives you 0 candies. How many candies do you have now? You still have 7 candies.
Here I am using different objects to explain the concept. Students, you can see there is one triangle in the first box and no triangle in the other box. How many triangles in both the boxes do we have now? We have one triangle in all. So we have 1 plus 0 equals 1. Now we do another example. Here you can see 3 apples in the first bowl and no apple in the other bowl. How many apples are there in both the bowls? There are 3 apples in all, so we can write 3 plus 0 equals 3. In this example, the first box has 4 hearts and the second box has no heart. You can see we have 4 hearts in all. So we can write 4 plus 0 equals 4.
Conclusion. Dear students, from above examples, we can see 1 plus 0 equals 1, 3 plus 0 equals 3, 4 plus 0 equals 4. So we can conclude adding 0 doesn't change the number. No matter whatever the number is, for bigger numbers we follow the same rule. 33 plus 0 equals 33, 16 plus 0 equals 16, 58 plus 0 equals 58, 35 plus 0 equals 35, 90 plus 0 equals 90, 85 plus 0 equals 85. Now we will learn subtraction of 0 with any number. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away, the process of removing objects from a collection. Taking away nothing means you still have everything. Now we learn the rule of subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, the number stays the same. So it means number minus 0 equals number. We get the same number in answer when we subtract 0 from any number. Real life example, you have rupees 50, you buy nothing, so you still have rupees 50. Here you have 5 strawberries, you eat nothing, so you still have 5 strawberries left with you. So we can write 5 minus 0 equals 5. Here you have 1 apple, you eat nothing, so you still have 1 apple with you. So we can write 1 minus 0 equals 1. Here you can see 8 balloons. No balloon is burst, so you still have 8 balloons. So 8 minus 0 equals 8. From above examples, we have a conclusion 5 minus 0 equals 5, 1 minus 0 equals 1, 8 minus 0 equals 8. So subtracting 0 doesn't change the number. No matter whatever the number is, for bigger numbers we follow the same rule. 33 minus 0 equals 33, 16 minus 0 equals 16, 58 minus 0 equals 58, 35 minus 0 equals 35, 90 minus 0 equals 90, 85 minus 0 equals 85. Dear students, here you have some questions for practice. You should write these questions in your math notebook. Now we summarize our lecture. You should keep these points in your mind. Adding or subtracting 0 doesn't change a number. It means number plus 0 equals same number. Number minus 0 equals same number. We get the same number in the answer when we add or subtract 0 from any number.
Thanks for watching this video lecture. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.